Can swallowing one piece of gum make you sick? What about 10? Will it really stick to your stomach for 7 years, like your mom used to say? Today, we're going to bust one of the most common myths in the world and find out what actually happens inside your body when you swallow gum. And trust me, the truth is way stranger than you think. So grab your gum, don't swallow yet, and let's dive right in. The idea that gum stays in your stomach for 7 years has been around for decades. It probably started as a way for parents and teachers to stop kids from swallowing gum in class. Don't swallow that gum, it'll never come out. And honestly, it worked, because it sounds believable. Gum doesn't break down easily. You can chew it for hours. So the idea that it could get stuck inside you makes sense, until you realize how powerful your digestive system actually is. Modern chewing gum is made of gum base, a mix of synthetic rubber and resins, that's the chewy part, sweeteners like xylitol or sugar, flavorings, mint, fruit, cinnamon, you name it, and a bit of softener to keep it flexible. Here's the thing, your body knows what to do with almost all of that, except the gum base. Enzymes and stomach acids tear through the sugars and flavors like it's nothing, but the gum base? That's indestructible, at least to your stomach. Okay, let's say you swallow your gum by accident. Here's the good news. It doesn't stick to your stomach. Your body treats gum just like anything else it can't digest, like a tiny piece of corn or a small seed. It travels through your digestive tract, and a few days later, well, it leaves your body the natural way. So gum doesn't stay in your body for 7 years. But, and this is important, that doesn't mean you should make it a habit. In rare cases, swallowing a lot of gum, especially over a short time, can cause problems. Doctors have found that when gum is swallowed along with other indigestible things, like sunflower seed shells, paper, or coins, it can form a blockage called a bezoar. This can happen mostly in young children because their digestive systems are smaller and more sensitive. It's super rare, but when it happens, it's not fun. So yes, swallowing one piece of gum is harmless. Swallowing 10 pieces in one day? Not so much. Your stomach isn't just a bag of acid. It's a muscular organ that churns, squeezes, and pushes food forward. If gum were really stuck, you'd have much bigger problems, because that same process pushes everything out eventually. And that's why, according to medical experts, including the American Chemical Society and Mayo Clinic, gum will pass through you in about 2 to 5 days. So, can swallowing gum make you sick? Not really. Will it stick to your stomach for 7 years? Definitely not. But if you swallow a ton of it, that's when trouble starts. So, next time you accidentally swallow gum, don't panic. Your body's got this, but maybe just stick to chewing. If you learned something new today, give this video a like, subscribe for more weird science, and tell us in the comments, what's another myth you want us to bust next?